Hey, welcome to another episode of The Park's Kitchen. Have you ever tried this delicious and creamy pasta with uni in it? What is uni?
Uni is sea urchin, which is this spiny invertebrate that basically looks like it's ready to kill you. In fact, if you touch it, it will sting you by releasing its venom. Even though it looks and sounds creepy, it's actually really tasty. We're not eating the spines, by the way. We're eating the yellow roe inside, which is super creamy, rich, and savory. I think it's good.
That's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make uni pasta and we're gonna make it good.
Let's start with the ingredients. Obviously, we have the uni, heavy cream, and Parmesan cheese, which is optional, shallots, garlic, chives, or green onion, either way. And we have butter, crushed red pepper, and also the flying fish roe. Another important ingredient is sake. You can get something cheap since we're cooking it, preferably something dry though, which will make all these ingredients shine through the sauce that we're going to be cooking. It's just like using white wine for pasta, but this is Japanese. I'm gonna be pouring a quarter cup of sake, and this will be used for cooking the sauce later. So just put it aside for now and do not drink it. Oh well. Now to our main ingredient, uni. They're just so beautiful. These light golden brown color. Oh, I just want to touch them. It's very soft and it kind of falls apart. Look at that. It's supposed to be packed with flavors. Now we're going to be blending about 5 pieces of uni with 1 cup of heavy cream to make the uni pasta sauce. Put this mixture aside for now as we get the aromatics ready for the pasta sauce. Adding crushed red pepper flakes is completely optional. Personally, I like it with some spice. It brings out a different dimension for me. But I know for others, it hinders their flavor profile, so it's up to you. There's my sake. As for the noodle, you can use either fresh ramen noodles or just regular spaghetti noodles. I'm going with the ramen noodles here because I like the wiggly, that noodly texture. But I've certainly used spaghetti noodles before and it turned out just as good. And that's it, guys. Uni pasta. If you like this recipe, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me out to put out videos like this every week.